Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you replace the lights. You've got right down over here, we've got the high beam, the low beam, and then back under here is where we gain access for the blinker light and the side marker light. And so to get access to that, you need to pop these little push pins. There's one here and one here, and once you pull those out, then you can pull this little cover off, and that way we can get access to replace these two lights without having to remove the whole bumper and or the whole headlight assembly. So this one, we're just gonna twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise and be able to pull this light out, and then you just pull the light, and this is the light for the side marker light, and like I said, it's located right there. So the side marker light this is a 168 bulb, so you'd get a new 168 bulb and then be able to insert it. You just press it in. It can go either way. It doesn't necessarily matter which way you put it in, and then be able to line it up in the hole. And then if you turn it a quarter turn to the right, it'll tighten into place. And so that's how you replace your side marker light on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.